All Minister of USA 2025 President Donald Trump, Vice President J.D. Vance, Attorney General Pam Bondi, Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, Education Secretary Linda McMahon, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., Agriculture Secretary Brooke Rawlings, Labor Secretary Lori Chavez Damer, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy, Energy Secretary Chris Wright, State Secretary Marco Rubio, Homeland Secretary Kristi Noem, Veterans Secretary Doug Collins, Urban Secretary Scott Turner.